Ethernet cable wiring sequence. Network communication relies on Ethernet cables. Differences between RJ45 wall sockets and RJ45 plugs. Types of wiring sequences. There are two common Ethernet cable wiring standards. The difference is that the orange wire pair and green wire pair are swapped in position. Straight through cable. Both ends use the same wiring standards. Commonly used for. Nowadays, most devices support auto MDI/MDIX. So straight-through cables are widely used in most applications. Crossover cable. One end uses T568A and the other end uses T568B. Previously, it was commonly used for communication between devices at the same network layer. Nowadays, many devices support auto MDI/MDIX. So the requirement for crossover cables has become very limited. Bandwidth requirements. 10M01/00M Ethernet networks only use for wires to twisted pairs. Pins 1 and 2 are used for data transmission (TX), while pins 3 and 6 are used for data reception (RX). 1000M Gigabit Ethernet requires all 8 wires for twisted pairs to participate in data transmission. The wiring sequence, crimping quality, and twisted pair structure must all comply with the standards. PoE and wiring sequences. PoE power delivery generally uses two methods. Power is delivered through the data pairs, pins 1, 2, 3, 6. Commonly used in 10/100 MPoE applications. Power is delivered through the spare pairs, pins 4, 5, 7, 8. Commonly used in some PoE devices. Gigabit Ethernet communication requires all 8 wires. PoE power can also be delivered simultaneously over the same cable.